Solomon Foskaay here with another Solana Mobile dApp example demo I've built. You can check the repo. This will help you build a Solana Mobile dApp that doesn't use wallet. It's just use passkey, your biometrics. So let's tap here and to do transfer. Here we have it, and we connect just purely using passkey from Lazorkit. So this has been connected now, and we have this amount. This is the smart wallet created from the passkey. So I want to paste here a wallet I've copied. Let's see the beginning of the address so you can see it. Then let's put an amount to transfer, maybe about 4. No, we have 4 so there. So let's transfer this. And here you see we can sign message but without wallet. Approve and cool. You can see it. I can actually approve with fingerprint, or if you are using pattern, you select pattern. So you just pull in your biometrics and then you are able to, you see it, and that approves it and is asking to redirect. That's it. It's transferring. Yeah, 4 so successfully sent, and you can see the balance. If I click OK now, I can just tap here to view this on Scan. So you can see that this was actually a successful transaction. You can see it. And if we go here on balance change, you can see this was the wallet T8 something, and the other one we transfer to what? 0.5. And if I scroll this T8 here, the last one here, -4 from it, and got 4 added to the T5. So that's how you can build a Solana Mobile dApp that does not even need normal wallet, just biometrics for your user. You want to see how the code of this, then make sure you check the Solana Mobile example repo. Link in the description for you. Thank you. See you.